How to add image in Excel. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to add an image in Excel. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your Microsoft Excel sheet in your PC or laptop. Once you're here, select a cell and then name it as logo. This is just an indicator so that you will know where to place that specific image. In here, you will adjust a specific cell to make things larger so that the image will fit. In here, tap on a specific cell where you want to put the image. Now click on Insert. It is located on the upper left. In here, there is an option, whether shapes or something else. For now, let's use a shape. Let's put a square over here, just an example. As you can see, we have now inserted a shape over at our Excel sheet. For now, you will need to press Alt, your Alt key from your keyboard, and then select that area. As an example, I'm pressing Alt and then pressing a specific cell over at my Excel sheet. Once I do that, I will click on Insert on the upper left. This one over here. Now go and proceed to selecting a shape. For now, let's just use a square. Now hover that area so that it will fit while holding Alt. Now release Alt and then go to Shape Fill. Over at Shape Fill, you will use and look for Picture. Just click the drop down. For now, let's wait for Microsoft to finish loading. In here, you can just press Work Offline. Once again, click on Shape Fill and then a pop-up window will appear. In here, you will need to browse for the photo that you will be adding into your Excel sheet. And as you can see, I already added this photo over to my Google Excel, or Microsoft Excel in this case. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, I'll see you on the next one.